Hi guys, in this video let me teach you real quick how can you fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings on your mobile Roblox app. So without further ado, let's get right into it guys. So go over to the lower right corner and the three dots and go over to settings and go over to privacy, and then let's go on over to account restrictions. So make sure these are disabled guys, because if it is enabled, that is causing the issue. So if you have a pin, you just have to go ahead and input your pin to disable this, and there. So the next one is go over to parental controls and then go ahead and scroll down, and if you have the parent pin enabled like what I have, you just have to go ahead and make sure that allowed experiences is enabled on 17 plus here, and all you have to do is input your pin here and unlock it. So there guys, so that is basically how you can do this and fix this issue. So just follow all the steps I did, and if you don't have the parent pin enabled, make sure also that this is set to 17 plus as well. So you just have to input your pin if you have one and then unlock it so that you can display all the 17 plus content. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.